Yo, yo, yo. CPA strength here. Craziest burpee video yet. Set of 30 burpees, then a set of 20, then a set of 20. I'm gonna do a set of 30. I'm timing myself every 10th day. This is my 20th day of doing burpees. First day I got 40 minutes. 10th day I got 35 minutes. Now we'll see what I get now.
Don't be fooled by the YouTube views, motherfucker. I'm the same fat, nasty fuck I was in high school. Them boys ain't doing it like we doing over here. But don't be fooled, just know my pistol is near. Them boys ain't doing it, let me make the shit clear. Only competition that I got is looking in the mirror. Cause I be getting to the money. Yeah, I be getting to the money. Yeah, I be getting to the money. Yeah, I be getting to the money. I be getting to the money. In case you didn't know, they said it's on the road. Well, fuck it, we gotta go. I be getting to the money. Raised by the old heads, they taught me to never snitch. Pockets on super swole, like I just got a settlement. There's money out there in the streets that you better get. This is the definition of growth and development. Watch got a blue face, necklace kinda yellow. Pockets looking like I just stuffed them with an elephant. People talking down on me, but that's really irrelevant. Been getting money ever since I was bike pedaling. In my city, I'm a veteran, been mixing up the medicine. Late night like David Letterman, been places you ain't never been. I'm higher than I've ever been, and flyer than I've ever been. These rappers acting amped up, I give them all a sedative. Boys ain't doing it like we doing over here. But don't be fooled, just know my pistol is near. Them boys ain't doing it, let me make the shit clear. Only competition.
You're halfway there, JD. Show yourself. Show yourself you're not a quitter, buddy. Come on. Show yourself. Prove it to yourself you're not a quitter. Let's go. Halfway there. Let's go. New JD Blaze CPA strength world record coming up, bitch.
So my blood put me in and let me work, homie. I'm a maverick in these streets, dirt on them. I'm killing these other rappers, throw dirt on them. I'm in the club with some bands and some perp on me. Going crazy on these beats, yeah, berserk on them. I pull it out a bad bitch and then squirt on her. I'm getting money every day like the first, homie. Rest in peace, little bro, I say it every
19. Got this, bro. Let's go. Show yourself. Show yourself you're not a loser. Show yourself you're not a quitter. Let's get these last 10.
Nobody ever thought a jelly roll would blow up. Now I'm in the parking lot whipping, doing donuts. Every time I hit the club, these bitches, they just go nuts. These dudes like a futon, get popped and they just fold up. They blowing jelly roll up, they blowing all my phones up. My elevator broke, it can't go down, it only go up. Yeah, I'm like, so what? I'm drinking till I throw up. I stun it with the whip, but wait until I pull the boat up. Major.
This last rep is so you stay mentally strong. You gotta stay mentally strong out here in these motherfucking times right now. And I know one damn good way. Get your wind out, get some exercise in. Let's go, one more. A strong mind. Everyone, keep a strong mind. $100 burpees under 30 minutes. Get you some exercise right now. Exercise very important now more than ever. It's April 2020 right now. So much stress. Get your exercise.